2. Gentleman is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, we've waited for 6 weeks for the Senate to dither around on this bill. The decisions made, and it could have been made in a week, if they really were thinking about the 500,000 people who have lost their benefits over the last 6 weeks. Since the House acted, that's happened. There have been no jobs, no benefits, and no hope. Now, today we can restore that by the bill that's before us, and also perhaps give them some hope that this won't happen in the future. This legislation, returned from the Senate, will provide an additional 14 weeks of unemployment benefits in every state and a total of 20 weeks in high employment states. I welcome the additional weeks in the bill compared to the legislation we sent over. It seems the least we can do after we've made them wait for 6 weeks. However, I heard concerns that the complexity of the Senate amendment may present some administrative challenges for state governments, so I hope every state is actively planning on how to deliver these benefits in the quickest possible time frame. This is a wake-up call to state unemployment insurance programs. I would ask my colleagues to keep in mind that Congress must act again before the end of this year to continue the extended unemployment benefits that we are now improving. The cost of this extension of unemployment benefits is completely offset by an 18-month continuation of a tax called the FUTA tax, which has been in place for over 30 years. In addition to helping unemployed workers, this bill now includes the extension and expansion of 2 other relief provisions. One helps and encourages those buying homes, another helps struggling businesses. Mr. Speaker, our nation has lost 8 million jobs since the Great Recession started in December of 2007, even as we see signs of economic recovery, such as last week's announcement that GDP rose substantially for the first time in over a year. We know it will take considerable time to restore those lost jobs. There are predictions that will rise above 10% nationally and will not come down until late in 2010. We must continue to provide the lifeline for the unemployed workers who have lost their jobs through no fault of their own and who are searching for new employment. Sending this bill to President Obama today will accomplish that goal for over 1 million of our fellow citizens before the end of the year. Additionally, it would help keep families in their homes and prevent foreclosures. This is the right thing to do, and we shouldn't have waited so long to do it. And I yield to the gentleman from California.
I ask unanimous consent to associate myself with the remarks of the distinguished chairman